Hi everyone, I'm Pika and welcome back to Baker Affair. Today I'm turning fresh summer peaches into one giant fluffy peach cobbler pancake. It's basically a bakery style breakfast in one pan. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with the pancake batter. It's going to be a half a cup of, well, come down here and let me show you. Take a half of cup of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, half a cup of cream, 1.5 cup of water. Actually, it's 1/4 cup and 1/4 cup, which makes a half a cup, and 1 egg. And I'm also going to add a little melted butter, 1.5 teaspoons, and a little bit of vanilla. And I'm actually going to add just a splash more water. Okay, so I have that mixed up. I might add a little bit more water to it. I'm not sure. Right now, we have to go over to the stove and I have to start caramelizing those peaches, the fresh peaches. God, I can't wait. It's so good. I love doing this recipe. If you use either a cast iron pan or a non-stick pan for this. I'm going to use cast iron because that's what I always use because I have a bird, and non-stick is toxic, so I try to limit what I use on non-stick. So I'm going to add butter to this pan, about 2 tablespoons, but I might not need all of it. We'll see. Peaches, about a cup. Some brown sugar, because everything is better with sugar, especially brown sugar. A little cinnamon. We're going to cook these for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we're going to pour the pancake batter over it. And now I'm going to pour the batter over top. Or spoon it over. And now I'm going to cover it. And now I covered it and I'm going to let it cook for about 10-12 minutes on medium low because we don't want the peaches to burn. Okay, so I don't know how it's going to come out because usually my husband and I will just take it out of the pan and eat it. I'm not used to like flipping it over or anything like that. So we'll see how it goes. I'm a little afraid, you know what I mean? So anyway, watch. All right, wish me luck. Oh. Oh. All right, it didn't come out that bad. And I lost the peach. Okay, so now it's done. And I added too many peaches to it because I got a little over. It's supposed to have a cup. I added more than that and I should not have. So now I'm going to dust it with powdered sugar that I have added cinnamon to, and I'm going to dust it over. Come watch. This is one of those recipes I love because I can eat it right away. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. It looks so good. Take a bite. I mean, it's not too sweet. Like I said, I added way too many peaches. It's just perfect. It's just perfect. As you can tell, I can't stop eating it. So, on that note, this is so delicious, I can't stop eating it. And I have to, because I'll eat the whole thing. And I don't think it's good to eat the whole thing. And so on that note, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. And until next Wednesday, ciao.